Welcome to the special meditation and activation for 2025. I'm going to invite you, before we begin, to make sure that you are in a comfy place that's quiet, without distraction. You might even decide to lay down or to be propped up with pillows, but find yourself in the most comfortable space possible. Slowly together, we're going to close our eyes. Closing your eyes, letting your shoulders come down. Slowly begin to soften and to breathe with a little bit of a longer cadence. Inhaling and release. Let it go. Filling up with air, with life force, with light through your belly, through your chest, your lungs, and slowly release. Noticing as you inhale and exhale with greater ease, elongating each of the inhale and exhale, bringing in more peace, more light. Notice how you begin to settle. Notice how you begin to feel more at ease and at peace in your body, in your energy field, in your mind. And we're going to begin by connecting into your heart space. So just imagining this beautiful golden ball of energy, sparkling bright, almost like you are observing the beautiful inner pilot light, the light that is always burning bright within you, even when you don't feel it or see it or forget about it. This divine light, this connection to your infinite soul self is shining, illuminating, burning bright. And just imagine you can see this like flame, golden energy begin to expand. Expand throughout your heart, your chest cavity. The illumination is moving up through your neck, down into your belly, through your head and your crown, all the way down into your legs and your feet. And as you're breathing, you're noticing this beautiful growth, growing expansion of your own inner light, your own inner illumination, creating this beautiful sphere around you. Almost like you are encapsulated in a bubble of light and energy, of beautiful, sparkling, golden essence, circulating around your body, imagining that it grows bigger and bigger, a few feet all around you, creating this sphere. Just like you would notice a planet or the earth, you are now encapsulated in this divine, sacred light. The intention card that I pulled before we began this meditation was grace. Grace is such a powerful energy, a very high vibration. Grace is the energy of compassion and love, of the divine signature in everything. It also inherently highlights your worthiness, your inherent worthiness, your goodness, the peace that lies within you. And so I'm going to invite you to just imagine the sphere of light around you. Like the energy inside, the atmosphere inside is full of grace, of goodness, of peace, of abundance, of love, joy. All of the characteristics, all of the aspects that are you, that are always you, that are your youest you, that is your infinite self. Remembering and sinking into this energy and remembering you are not your body. Although we respect and love and honor the sacred body temple that you live in, your soul is infinite. Who you are is grace, is ease, is abundance, is love, is joy, is peace. And allowing yourself to soak in, like to allow all of your cells, all of the parts of your body, your organs, your bones, your tissues, your blood, your cells, your skin, your auric field, your energy field, your mind, your heart, allowing all of you, your soul, to soak in the truth, the light, the love that is you. Breathing that in. And just releasing any thoughts, anything that might come up that's not part of this truth. We let it go. We let it evaporate. Let the divine take that and recycle whatever is not true. And as you breathe in this truth of who you are raising your vibration. You are lifting and shifting your energy. You are tuning into your heart wisdom and intelligence. And you are shifting and glowing your mind. And in this state, as you remember, you connect to, you embrace your grace, your wholeness, your beauty, your worthiness, your goodness, your heart of love and compassion and care and joy. New thoughts start to pour in, new observations start to come through, new sensations maybe are felt, new intuitive guidance shows up, and we open ourselves up. And so imagining at the very top of your head, at your crown, there's an opening. We're going to go even a couple feet higher to the top of the sphere, and there's a slight opening at your star chakra that is even above your crown. There's this beautiful parting, and just imagining this cosmic, absolute fullness, loving, divine light, intelligence pouring through. As if your sphere wasn't high in vibration enough, we are flooding you, your soul, your spirit, your body, your mind. The sphere that is around you of energy, we are flooding it with the highest light and love and wisdom and guidance. And just notice, I can already feel a warmth and a tingling. Maybe you can feel that, and it's okay if not. Maybe you're noticing a symbol or an image, or you're feeling a sensation, or you're noticing a difference in your breath or your body. Maybe your mind feels more peaceful. And give you a moment to just breathe into this powerful activation. Beyond cosmic, we're talking the universal oneness, the God force, the all that is divine love that only can love, that is only light. And I'm going to be silent now as I give you space to take this in and allow it to move through your whole being. Activating your cells, illuminating your mind, growing the light in your heart, remembering and reminding you of who you really are. allowing yourself to soak in your birthright of love, light, goodness. As you allow all aspects of you to be in this powerful activation of divine light, love, joy, embrace, noticing how you feel, noticing what you notice, perhaps setting an intention. A key and important aspect of connecting to our higher guidance and this love at any time is setting the intention. Perhaps asking to be guided for the highest good, allowing your will to merge with divine will, to be a channel, to merge, to blend, to commune, to find that union that is always there. Setting whatever intention speaks to your heart. And then slowly, we're going to seal the top of your beautiful sphere, knowing that you are forever in this incredibly loving, highest vibration of grace, kindness, peace, love, illumination. The divine, this beautiful divine energy and power lives within you. And all you need to do is come back to this, remind yourself, come back to this feeling, this essence, this meditation, remembering who you are, remembering this is accessible at any time. And when you feel complete, slowly beginning to breathe, aware of your body, of your breath, coming back to this moment, opening your eyes. Take a few moments before you fully get back into your daily life. And I would encourage you to grab a pen and paper and perhaps to just jot down whatever you noticed, what you felt, what you sensed, what you connected to. And maybe even an intention that you set or anything else that's coming through you, whether they are heart-led intentions for this coming year, something you feel that's coming through you from the highest guidance. Give yourself the space and the grace, as that intention was chosen for all of us, to be in this grace, to be in your wholeness, just to see if there's more light coming through you. It might be now, it might be later, but giving yourself time to move back into your day with ease, with kindness, with peace. And my prayer and intention is that may you remember who you really are. May you come back to this feeling of wholeness, of your mind being illuminated by the divine, of your goodness, of your grace, as often as humanly possible in this year to come and on your path. With love and so much gratitude. Namaste.